everybody, so in today's video I'm going to be making a neon wolf. This is my last wolf until I can get a neon one. I'm really excited. After this one I'm going to be picking an Arctic fox. I made a poll on my community tab about what neon I should make next, and you guys voted for a Arctic fox. So yeah, we're gonna be making an Arctic fox. It's gonna be really hard because I currently only have one Arctic fox, but I do have 20 Christmas eggs I'm gonna be doing for video. I actually have 23, but you know, I'm going to be trading those for a video as well. Okay, we're just gonna open up a Christmas egg. So, you know what, we're gonna leave it for the end of the video because I don't want it to say ice skating and for the egg, because that make Eclipse go up to full grown, so we're just gonna wait. Okay, so it's definitely, oh, okay. I'm just gonna click some of these. You know, training the reindeer is actually really easy if you're just trying to not really go for gingerbread. I literally, all I have been doing for the reindeer, or for making neons, is this. Okay. Oh wow, okay, Boomer, you just don't understand me. I love Comet. He's Comet. Oh my god. Okay. I love Comet because he's really sassy. We love our Sassinators. Don't know where Sassinators came from, but come on, Eclipse. Come on. You're hungry. Okay, you're hungry. I'll give you a sandwich because I don't use my sandwiches. Oh my god, I'm so excited, guys. I'm so excited. Ah! It's full grown. Okay. Let's just go ride a banana car because you're very lazy. Okay, guys, whoa, how did that banana car get on there? I don't understand. I'm so excited. Yay, finally. I think I have 4 full grounds. If I don't, I'm gonna cry. I'll cry. I'll be like, why did you do this to me? Adopt me. You're making me, you know what, hold on. Actually, we're gonna do the one that I trained. I think I trained, I know I started Lilac first. Did I train her all the way? Yes, I did. Let's put you in here. Oh, okay, I see. And then the last one. Ah, I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. Eclipse is so pretty. That's so pretty. Oh my god. That is literally so pretty. Whoa. Oh my god. That's so pretty. Oh my god. That is literally adorable. Let me put you down, Eclipse. Oh my gosh. I need to name it something. What's something blue? Blueberry? We're probably gonna change the name, but you know what? I kinda like Eclipse. Did I spell that wrong? Oh, yeah, I spelled that wrong. Guess we'll just name it Blueberry for now. I think it's so pretty. It's so cute. Oh my gosh. I'm freaking out again, just like the robin. It's so cute. This took so much longer than the robin, but it was worth it. It's so cute. I don't know what to think about it. It's so adorable. I love it. Oh my god. I don't know what to... Why'd you do this to me, Adopt Me? It's so cute. The neons are literally adorable. Like, okay. I now have 3 neons. And this is my blueberry, so cute. I'm so excited to see what the Arctic fox looks like. I hope you guys are excited as too. I have never seen a freaking neon Arctic fox. I hope it's not just white. I hope it's something like orange. That'd be pretty cool. Really excited. But yeah, we're gonna work on that after the Christmas egg video. So excited, guys. I'm so excited. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this one. It was very fun to make, and if you guys, I don't know what to make next. Do you think I should just make not a, should I make like another new pet? Should I make a swan? I don't know what to make. Oh my god, I can't get over this. Okay, goodbye guys, have a wonderful, hello, so, hold on, so, I forgot to open up the gift, but let's just check it out. I don't know what it's gonna be. Okay, so that was the gift.